Hi, today we're making one of our favourite spring recipes, that's Dandelion Bhajis. Absolutely delicious and loads of fun. So to start off, we're going to put 100 grams of chickpea flour into a bowl, and to that we're going to add a quarter teaspoon of baking powder, then half a teaspoon of chili powder. You can pop in some more if you like it spicy, then a teaspoonful of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoonful of onion seeds, and give that a good mix up. So we mix all the dry ingredients together first just to get them well blended before adding some water. So you'll need between 50 and 100 millilitres of water. If you add it in about 3 parts like I'm showing here, you'll see it slowly coming together. And you want a batter consistency that is probably about the same as when you're making a cake, so really quite thick. You don't want a runny batter like you're battering fish. You want a thick sort of cake mix. So it's nearly together now. Last thing to go in is the dandelion flowers. So you need probably about 5 flower heads per bhaji, so there's probably, I don't know, 25, 30 flower heads here. So we're mixing them in. And what we want is each individual flower just coated with batter. And then they're dropped into hot oil. I normally cook them at about 190 degrees C. So you can see that there are clumps of flowers here. We're not putting individual flowers in, but we want little bits of the flowers to be sticking out of the batter because they'll crisp up and give you really nice crispy edges to the bhajis. So halfway through frying them, just flip them over, making sure they're cooking evenly on all sides. And then they're done. We're just scooping them out now. We'll drain them on kitchen paper and then they're ready to serve. Stick them with a bit of yogurt or mango chutney or something like that. Absolutely delicious. Great way to use the weeds from your garden. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you've enjoyed the recipe. Do come back soon. Thanks very much. Bye bye.